Hey, how's it going, guys? In today's video, I'll be talking about how you can make money with the affiliate network JVZoo using free traffic that will convert into actual sales. And if you want to learn about how you can do that, then please stick around for the entire video. Welcome to Next Level Finance, the space where we teach you the best and newest ways to make money online and anything and everything finance. If you want to be kept up to date, then make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell below because we have a ton of videos lined up for you. With that said, let's go make some money. If you've heard of ClickBank or Digistore24, well, they're affiliate networks or marketplaces, and the platform that we'll be using today, JVZoo, is just like the two more popular ones I mentioned. So to use those networks, you'll want to pick a product to promote, and then you can make a commission with each sale that you make. Yes, that's a super simplified version of how it all works because, as you probably know, you don't sell as soon as you pick a product to market. It doesn't work that way. If you don't have an existing audience to market to, you need to look for a traffic source or a way to promote the product to actually be able to sell it. And because this is a beginner-friendly tutorial on affiliate marketing, we'll talk about some of the best ways to promote your link so that it converts even without a website, a YouTube page, or a following of any sort. Let me quickly take you through the sign-up process over at JVZoo. To create a brand new account, you'll want to click on Start for Free on the upper right-hand corner and fill out all of the basic information that websites usually require. And then you'll need to verify your email address and then choose your preferred payment method, and you should be good to go right after that. As you can see, there are thousands and thousands of products available on the JVZoo network, and to access the list, you'll want to go to Affiliate and then find products, and everything should populate on the search page just like this. One thing I appreciate about JVZoo is that the metrics that they provide are pretty good. I do appreciate how it's so easy to see which products perform well with just one quick look. Over here, you'll instantly be able to see the launch date, the quantity sold, the conversion rate, which in layman's terms just means the number of leads that have turned into sales. You'll also be able to see the EPC, which means earnings per click, or it means the average amount of revenue that you earn each time someone clicks on your affiliate links. You'll also be able to see the commission and the refund rates. In a nutshell, just to help you determine which products you should consider selling in the first place, the higher the quantity sold means the more popular the product is, and this definitely increases the product's trust rating among customers. Conversions of 10% or above are considered healthy, and as you would expect, the refund rate should be low, around 5% or well below that. Finally, the launch date. It's okay, and it doesn't necessarily have to be brand new, but unless it's an evergreen product, it shouldn't be too old either. So for the sake of demonstration, let's pick a product out right now. This one here is looking good. It's called Video Builder app. It seems to be a good fit based on the metrics that we just talked about. So you'll want to click on Request for Permission, and yes, you'll have to write the product owner a simple note to introduce yourself as a partner, and then click on Request for Approval. Don't worry, you're not expected to write a fancy letter, something short and sweet along the lines of, hello, I have a YouTube following of X number of people, or I have X number of friends following me on Facebook and have some experience with affiliate marketing. That kind of thing should suffice. Once you get the approval and the link along with it, there are several free ways to promote your link. And while having a built-in audience or following is obviously the best way to push that and make actual sales, it's not the only way to go about it. In fact, just like I promised, I'll be sharing some of the best ways that successful affiliates have been promoting their links either without a base to promote to at all or just outside of their usual audience. The very first way I wanted to talk to you about is Facebook groups. So Facebook groups are niched down, and if you can find an active group in a niche that's related to your chosen product, this could be a gold mine right here. So what you want to do is search for a whole bunch of these groups. For example, for this particular software that we selected, we obviously want to go to a group where video editors will be hanging out in. And to find these groups and people, you can simply search video editors or even YouTube channels or even groups for video production agencies. Whatever you think your target audience would type in where they would hang out, that's where you should be. And then I want you to take it a step further by making sure that it's an active and legitimate group. The people on the inside are actually interested in the topic and not just receiving spam. You'll find that there are some groups that are full of spam posts and you don't want to be wasting time on those. For the groups that do pass your initial screening, you can make your presence felt first by leaving comments here and there, by liking, sharing, posting useful tips, or even asking questions. And after about a week or two of doing this, the members and facilitators know and trust you. You can start mentioning your product and promote in the group. A word of caution though, these groups do call out and even ban members when they feel that they disrupt the dynamic of the group, and they can see spammers and salespeople from a mile away, so do tread lightly, okay? The same can be done in a website like Quora, which is my second pick for where you can promote your link. It's actually a fantastic way for your affiliate links to rank on Google. Quora is really easy to get started on, and you can sign up for a new account, answer questions that people have, especially related to the product you're promoting. This requires just a little bit of time, and you can even post questions that you can later say that you've discovered the answer to. Another place that you would want to visit to promote your links would be YouTube. Simply search for content that's related to your product. For example, best video editing software, how to start a YouTube channel. I mean, just similar to what you did on Facebook groups and Quora when you were looking for places and topics where your target customer would think to look, head over there. But this time, I want you to check all of the comments, and after you make sure that the comment is recent, you'll want to visit the commenter's YouTube profile and then go to his About section where you'll find his email address. From there, you'll want to send him an email. Tell him that you took a look at his channel and that you have something that might be useful to him. And then, of course, you can proceed to telling him about the product and leaving your link down for him. You know, even without a following, just doing these simple things that I suggested are sure to get you a couple of sales or at least a few $100 a month. Some of these will take a while to produce results, but I want to encourage you to keep moving, keep trying new things until you reach all of your financial goals. I hope that you enjoyed this video and got some inspiration from it. If you did, then do show us some love by leaving us a like, a comment, a share, and please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell down below. We have a ton of other content, and we will be leaving links to those in the description box for you, so make sure you check those out and head over there right after watching this one. Also, leave us a comment to let us know what you want to see next, and we'll be more than happy to oblige. Alrighty then, take care guys, and I'll see you again on the next one.